With our own plantations, Sunshine Code uses advanced cultivation techniques to guarantee the highest quality ingredients. First, we use advanced technology to thoroughly clean the purple sweet potatoes, ensuring they are free from any dirt or impurities. Our state-of-the-art washing equipment guarantees that each sweet potato is pristine before moving on to the next stage. Our well-established production line utilizes advanced automated machinery to ensure consistent quality. With precision automation at every step, we guarantee high standards and reliable results. We have the advanced laboratories that conduct rigorous quality testing. In addition, we have obtained international certifications and qualifications.